বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু। বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। The price of greed. Once a heart so full of light turned to shadows lost in night. A soul once free, no wrapped in chains, bound by guilt and endless gain. It started so small, a harmless dream, to build, to rise, to ring supreme. A coin, a note, a feeling thrill, a hunger feed yet a starving still. With every step, the task grows deep. Riches earn, but love won't keep. Friends turn face, cold and strange. Loyal ties replace with chance. The mansion grand, the marble floors, a hollow echo behind locked door. The finest silk, the rarest win, yet emptiness in everything. A child once laughed, so pure, so bright. No cries alone in silent night. A mother waits her calls, ignored. A father lost to great reward. The hands that help no beg for bread. The hearts once warm are filled with dread. For well dead a stone like heaven's grace. No, we ask the devil's own embrace. The vaults are full, the soul is bare. Silent yet no one is there. A throne of gold, a king alone. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.